crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 13 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And so far, I have been super psyched and happy with pretty much everything in the box. It's been nice that they added the charcuterie board, the tool set, different things that didn't that aren't quilters, right? So when you look at the charcuterie board, right, that we do a lot of entertaining in that. So it was kind of cool to see that. When you saw the wrapping paper that she provided, that was kind of cool too. So it's a lot of different things going in the box that isn't just necessarily has to go on Jake here. So let's see, what did she get in there for day 13 for us? All right, and cool. Wasn't sure if that was sealed down or not. So let's see. Sorry for the noise. Oh, it is a pattern. Right. I think that's everything. So let's toss that over. And so this is a Missouri Star pattern called Snappy Pouch Project Pattern for Fat Quarters. So it turns out when it's done, it is 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. And that is what it looks like. It says Snappy Pouch Sample Project. Wonderful things. Study wash by, oh, that's the fabrics that you use. So overall, the project size is 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. You need 3 exterior fat quarters, 3 interior fat quarters, 1 pack of 6 snap bands, and 3 11 by 13-inch pieces of batting, along with batting spray and or pins. So I'll show you the back of it so you know what you're looking for. So she did provide, they did provide us with the pattern to go through and do this, which is kind of cool because I've never done anything like this. And then she did provide us with one set of the snappy bands. So I think those are kind of cool. I would be interested to go out to their site to see how much the snappy bands cost in that, because if I do this and do it and have a good time, I may actually want to do a few of these and gift them, because I could see where people would really like having those. So it's interesting that it takes pack of 6 snap bands. I think that's what they supplied us with. My guess is it only takes 2 to actually do one pouch, right? Which would make sense. So then by giving us 6, we have enough to do 3 pouches. So I won't absolutely get to this until probably spring, but I do think it's kind of a neat project. I keep saying I want to do more with pouches and um, totes and all that kind of stuff. And yet I keep collecting it, but yet I don't get there. So this will definitely go in the small drawer in the other room for small projects that I keep. And every now and then I'm like, I just don't want to quilt, but I want to do something. I just need a break, right, from piecing. And it's that kind of stuff that I grab to challenge my brain a little bit differently. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here and listening to me talk a little bit about what's in the box today. I definitely liked it. And again, this has continued to be a good box for me in 2025. I hope you all are having an amazing week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.